company. You're coming with a lot of experience. You've worked for a long time at EU level. Now you are at local level for the city of Amersfoort. What are your experiences with district energy, with decarbonizing heat, with accelerating the heat transition?
Yes, well, first I moved from the European level to the local level because I really wanted to see the Green Deal implemented. And implementation is what's done at a local level. So what I see is that at a city level, in the Netherlands, the cities have the lead on the heat transition. And European policies are really important. I think the Green Deal will make a big difference in a few years' time once it's transposed and implemented at national level. And at the meantime, my city is doing what it can in supporting people. It's really about working for a city is not about technology, but about helping people take decisions, help them manage the energy transition and make sure everyone can come along. So the EPBD has provisions on energy poverty that helps, but as a city we already decided to not wait for the EPBD, but already work on energy poverty, and that is one of the and alleviate energy poverty as much as we can, and that is one of the reasons that we want to have a larger role in district. You see a larger role for district heating, because not everyone can afford a heat pump, or the houses are not suitable for a heat pump. And by supporting district heating and trying to offer that as an other option, we think we can take everyone along in the city. So it's also a social measure to support district heating.
That's a great way to describe it, I think, a social measure. And do you feel that you are getting what you need in order to implement district heating, getting what you need in terms of the framework that is needed, in terms of the financial resources maybe as well? How difficult or easy is it?
I'll have a short wish list for what we need on district heating. I think we need a guarantee fund, either an EU or a national level guarantee fund that helps us financing investments in district heating. You know, as a city, you can get cheap financing, but we can get 70%. But we need to go further because district heating is the construction is quite expensive, so we need a guarantee fund with long maturity, low interest rate. Furthermore, I think we need, and that's a national level thing, we need the law on heating to be adopted as soon as possible, because at the moment, for a couple of years now, we're in uncertainty about the future of district heating and mainly about the market model, the governance model, who's in charge of the district heating systems. And I hope that this law will be adopted soon, so that from January 2025 on we'll have clarity on the pathway forward. So those are two main wishes. I think the third one is we need good consumer protection. Whoever owns the district heating network, the sources or the infrastructure, consumers need to be well protected. So there needs to be good transparency on costs and tariffs, a national watchdog to keep everyone honest and accountable, etc., etc. I think those are the three things those are on my wish list.
That sounds doable.
I hope so. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.